Hello from Seoul. Are you getting tired of eating this gochujang, Korean chili paste? What am I talking about? It can't happen, right? However, if you invest a little bit more time and love, you can make it better. How much? 100 times better. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your gochujang, Korean chili paste. What? You don't wanna do that? Because it's so delicious just as it is? Yeah, I totally understand what you're saying, but if you fry this gochujang, it will become 100 times better. Trust me, it will blow your mind. For this, you will need gochujang, onion, green onions, minced garlic, and some ground beef. What? Beef is not your thing? That's okay. Pork, chicken, or even canned tuna, everything will be fantastic. Our superhero, Gochujang, will take care of everything. But beef is always my favorite, so if it's your first try, please follow my lead. You won't regret it. First, let's talk about Korean chili paste. There are a lot of brands out there in the market, but it doesn't really matter what brand you use because most of the store-bought gochujang, they don't really have a big difference in taste. So even if you have a different brand from mine, don't go grocery shopping and just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, let's prep our vegetables. First, finely chop a quarter of an onion. The finer, the better, because that way, it cooks a lot faster. So make sure you chop it as fine as you can. Next, green onions. Take 2 or 3 green onions and thinly slice them. That's it. Unbelievably simple, right? Alright, let's get cooking. In a non-stick wok or pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Make sure you use neutral tasting oil like vegetable or grapeseed. Do not ever think of using extra virgin olive oil if you don't want to ruin your gochujang. If that tastes weird because you didn't take my advice, I'm not responsible. Once it gets nice and hot, add the onion, green onions, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, and stir them around for about 4 minutes or until they soften and start to go brown. Once they start to smell real nice, add 230 grams or half a pound of ground beef and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Here, we need to evaporate as much liquid as we can, so make sure you keep stirring it and keep tossing around. What? You have a big family, so you're doubling this recipe? But there's a lot of liquid coming from the ingredients? Don't worry about it, it's so natural. So just take a deep breath and relax. Although the recipe says 5 to 6 minutes, you don't have to follow exactly what it says. That's not an absolute rule or something. It's just a guideline. So make sure you give it a good stir until most of the liquid has evaporated. That's all you need. Once that's done, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and stir them around for about 2 minutes. The soy sauce is not only gonna season our beef, but it's also gonna add a lot of umami to your upgraded gochujang, so you're gonna love it so much. But if you wanna make it insanely good, like legendary gochujang, then add 1 tablespoon of dashida, Korean beef stock powder. Trust me, it'll be so delicious, you might wanna open a Korean restaurant with this bad boy. I'm not joking. Alright, we're almost there. Reduce the heat to low, add 1 cup of gochujang and give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. And then add half a cup of water and stir them around for about 2 to 3 minutes. Last but not least, add half a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil and simmer for 1 more minute. Once you can see the bubbles in the middle, it's done. Alright, let's turn the heat off. But you know what? Gochujang burns so easily, so if we just let it sit in there and do nothing, it could burn. So even if we turn the heat off, we have to stir it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, that's right. With this simple technique, we can protect our precious gochujang from burning, just like Surfshark protects us on the internet. Nobody wants to be watched or tracked, even though you have nothing to hide. But if you use public Wi-Fi, hackers can steal your data. But don't worry about it. Surfshark will encrypt your online data, so hackers won't be able to see what you're doing. I mean, all the important stuff stays private and secure. Not only that, you can change your current internet location to other countries with a single click, which means you can easily access different content that's only available in some other countries. For example, if you click on South Korea, you can enjoy more hidden content on Netflix with an incredibly fast speed. Plus, it allows unlimited number of devices at the same time. I mean, this is kind of secret, but I gotta tell you, with Surfshark, you can even share one account with all your families. That's kind of good news, right? If you click the link in the description and use the code Aaron and Claire, you will save 83% and get extra 3 months free as well. Also, Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to trying this out. You wanna stay safe online? Surfshark has got your back. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Surfshark. Alright, once it's cold, you can transfer it to an airtight container and store in the fridge for up to a month. It's gonna be awesome just with some rice or noodles, but that's not what you want. You want something more, right? So with this bad boy, let's make a simple but authentic bibimbap. First, take any vegetables from your fridge and slice them up. Today, I'm using half an onion, 80 grams of carrot, 3 shiitake mushrooms, and 80 grams of zucchini for 2 servings. Seriously, you can use any kind of veggies you have. So you have a lot of leftover veggies? Bring them all! Everything will be fantastic! Alright, all the veggies are ready to go. Let's get cooking! In a pan, add half a tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium-low heat. Once it's heated, cook your veggies one by one with a pinch of salt. And after 2 or 3 minutes or until it starts to soften, remove it from the pan and set that aside. Alright, it's time to assemble. Let's put it all together. Put some rice into a bowl and place half of the veggies on top. And then this is totally optional, but if you have some fresh veggies like these microgreens, you can add some. Last but not least, place a sunny side up egg and finish it off with 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. That's it! How does it look? It looks absolutely gorgeous, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester. Claire?
Oh, bibimbap! So it's not just the gochujang, right? Let me see if it's upgraded. 일단 업그레이드 됐다고 강조하려고 비싼 잣을 위에다 올려놨구만. Ready? 오, 확실히 내가 알던 고추장보다 향긋하고 맛이 확 진해졌어. 이 약고추장의 매력은 무조건 그 속 안에 들어있는 소고기잖아. 그게 딱 한 입 한 입 먹을 때마다 그 조그만 알갱이가 쏙 빨아들어오는 게 식감까지 추가가 돼가지고 너무 좋네. Oh, it's definitely upgraded. Let's add some upgraded gochujang. 매울 수도 있으니까 한 반 스푼만 먼저 시작. Let's mix it. 아, 야채를 골고루 넣어줘가지고 되게 건강할 것 같은 맛이다. I made a good bite. Cheers! 와, 역시 비빔밥은 진짜 언제 먹어도 진짜 없던 입맛까지 생기게 만드는 그런 묘미가 있는 것 같아. 기분 탓인지 아니면 정말 이게 10배 더 맛있게 만들어준 건지 모르겠지만 10배 맛있게 느껴진다. 맛있다. 나는 어렸을 때 이거 많이 안 먹어봐가지고 굳이 그렇게 만들어야 되나? 약간 생각을 했었는데 한 만큼 진짜 보람은 딱 느껴진다. 맛이 내가 느낄 수 있다니까? 설명할 수 없는 그 팬시함을 가지고 있어. If you try, you will know what I'm talking about. Yes, it's definitely upgraded. But if you think making this kind of bibimbap sounds like a hassle because there are so many veggies to prep, you can just make it simple like bibimbap. Add 2 fried eggs over the rice and just add this fried gochujang instead of soy sauce. Then that'll be your gochujang version of bibimbap. And I bet that'll be more delicious than just a regular bibimbap. Trust me. 자기 아까 흰밥에다 먹었잖아. 나도 이 고추장에만 딱 집중해서 먹어보게. 흰밥 좀만 퍼줘봐봐. 너무 많이 주지 말고. 이렇게 해서 쓱싹쓱싹 비벼 먹는 거잖아 원래. Cheers! 이거지. 와. 진짜 미친 맛이다. 아까 이거 빵에다 발라 먹어도 맛있다네. 빵 더 가져와봐. Bring some bread. 고구마 가져오는 줄. 너무 많이 발랐나? 또 많이 발랐다. 욕심 부려가지고. Cheers! 나쁘지 않아. 되는데? 이거 되는데? 약간 매콤한 버전의 볼로네즈 소스를 샥 뿌린 것 같은 그런 느낌? 맛있어. 묘하게 맛있어. So good!
Today, I showed you how to upgrade your gochujang. How was it? It's pretty awesome, right? Once you make this sauce, you can simply eat it with your rice, noodles, or even Korean barbecue. Trust me, any kind of dish that calls for gochujang will become absolutely amazing because of this bad boy. So please give this a try. You won't regret it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.